first met this little guy, it piqued my interest, and I wanted to see what it would be like to live with a robot on my desk for a little while. So today, we'll be taking a look at Vector by Anki. Welcome to All Hands on Tech. I'm Megan Simpson. Vector runs on a Qualcomm 200 platform, has a built-in HD camera with a 120-degree ultra-wide field of view, a 4-microphone array, and an infrared scanner. At 4 inches tall, Vector is powered by artificial intelligence with machine and deep learning capabilities. Vector is being advertised by Anki as the good robot, but unfortunately, Vector wasn't as good or smart as you'd like it to be. To start interacting with Vector, you need to download the Vector app and connect the robot to Wi-Fi. But unlike Anki's previous robots like the Cosmo toy, Vector isn't controlled through the app. It has a mind of its own. When its battery is low, Vector will return to its charging pad all on its own. Once it's up and running, Vector moves around independently, and at first that seems pretty cool to see it suddenly wake up and start exploring. But having Vector roaming around on my desk while working soon proved to be annoying, so I brought it home. Then it was fun to interact and learn what Vector could do. Vector maps its surroundings. Don't pick Vector up though. It can also tell the weather, set a timer, take a photo, and even play blackjack. You can also ask it questions about a variety of topics, measurements for recipes, it'll update you on the stock market, check flight statuses, and more. And it even likes to play with its cube without being prompted. It's like having a pet robot mixed with a smart speaker. Pet Vector, and it purrs. When Vector returns to its charger, it wiggles its butt. When Vector sleeps, sometimes he snores. However, Vector isn't quite as smart as one might hope. It will often misunderstand or give an incorrect answer. Other features, though, do seem to work pretty well. Vector can recognize people's faces, and it'll get excited when it sees someone it knows. Though, sometimes Vector gets confused when many people are around. With its built-in object and surroundings detection, it'll never fall off a table. Except for that one time that it did. Vector can get a little annoying though. He's too noisy. If you're trying to do some work, watch TV, or read a book, Vector can be a bit bothersome. Hey Vector, quiet down. But eventually he'll randomly wake back up and start exploring again. This robot has a mind of its own, and even started to creep me out. You can often find Vector busy scooting around without prompting. Still, Vector is pretty cute. It didn't take long for me to start treating it like a living creature and talking to it like I would a cat or a dog. My cat did get a little jealous of that. I felt bad when I wasn't interacting with Vector. It's something about his cute eyes and his quirky movements that really pulls at the heartstrings. And if that sounds familiar to a certain movie character, say WALL-E, that might not be such a coincidence. Hey Vector, I have a question. Who is WALL-E?
Directive classified.
So overall, I'd have to say that while he's pretty darn cute and pulls at the heartstrings, Vector can get pretty annoying. If he was a tad bit smarter and a bit quieter, then I'd say that Vector is a good robot. Anki has plans for Vector. It says that by the end of this year, you'll be able to talk to Amazon's Alexa from your Anki robot, which could potentially make Vector smarter. Vector costs $329.99 Canadian and is available at Best Buy and Amazon. While I'm not 100% sold on Vector, I'm interested to see what other people think, because he's pretty unique, and the idea of having a tiny robot in your home is kind of cool. So, tell us your thoughts, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Megan Simpson, and you're watching All Hands on Tech.